If you drive a Honda Civic, especially one with a CVT transmission between the years of 2012 and 2015, then you need to watch this video. I know you're busy, so I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. This is a very reliable car, but there's one common issue that by the end of this video, you're going to be aware of and even know how to fix. It is very common for the CVT transmission fill plug, which is located right there. Let me pull it off to show you what it looks like. This thing right here, it's very common for this to pop off on its own. Not only do I own a 2014 Honda Civic myself, but I was a Honda technician for almost 10 years, and I can't tell you how many times I saw this happen, and most of the time, the customer was completely unaware. This thing right here is the culprit, and it's supposed to be a vent, and as you can see here, it gets clogged up over time, and it needs to be cleaned out. It's almost impossible to show where this thing is with the camera, but it's directly down and to the left of your transmission fill plug. You'll see it if you look, right in this general area. So I would recommend around once a year to take this vent off. It's very simple. You just pop it right off, and then you can put it right back on and clean it with something like this. Now, if you don't want to clean it, I would at the very least recommend checking it regularly. Every time you get gas, something like that, to make sure that it's not popped off, and if it is, put it back on. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and comment and let me know if this has ever happened to you.